You think you're doing everything right. You work your butt off. You got that raise. You're even saving 15% of your income. But what if I told you you could do all that and still end up broke? And the craziest part? You would never, ever see it coming. Warren Buffett, literally one of the richest people in history, has been screaming about a tiny detail that makes some people rich and keeps everyone else poor. It's a mistake that quietly vacuums hundreds of thousands of dollars out of your bank account over your lifetime. It is a silent financial enemy, an invisible thief, and it's probably the single biggest thing standing between you and being actually wealthy. In this video, I'm going to expose this 1% mistake. I'll show you what it is, how to know if you're making it, and I'll give you the exact steps to crush it forever. Let's be real. The system is not designed for you to win. It's built to make money from you being confused. But by the end of this video, you're going to know how to beat them at their own game. Subscribe right now, because this is the most important video you will watch all year. Let's go. The reveal, the silent killer. Okay, so what is this evil, portfolio-destroying 1% mistake? It's not picking the wrong stock. It's not selling at the wrong time. It's fees, specifically high expense ratios in your investment funds. It sounds so boring, right? Who cares about 1%? You lose more than that in your couch cushions. Wrong. That 1% is the most destructive force in your entire financial life. Let me show you. Alex is smart. He invests his money in a simple S&P 500 index fund. His expense ratio, his yearly fee, is 0.04%. That's basically nothing. Ben thinks he's smart. He invests in a fancy, actively managed growth fund that is bank recommended. His expense ratio is 1.04%, just 1% higher than Alex's. Who cares, right? Now watch the carnage. At year 10, Alex has $20,000. Ben has $18,000. Okay, not a big deal. A couple $1,000. But watch. Year 30, year 40. The power of compounding is a superpower, and Ben is giving his superpower away. $487,000. That is a house. That is a Lamborghini. That is sending your kids to college. Gone. All because of a tiny, harmless 1% fee. This is the silent killer that is keeping you broke. The deep dive with the vampire hides. So, where is this 1% vampire hiding? He's smart. He hides in plain sight. Let's expose him. Hiding spot number 1. The friendly financial advisor. Many of you have gone to a bank or an advisor and they say, "We have the perfect fund for you, our Aggressive Growth Opportunities Fund." It sounds amazing. It sounds exclusive. What they don't tell you in big letters is that the fee is 1.5% or even 2%. They say it's because active managers are picking the best stocks for you. Here's a secret. They aren't. Over 90% of active fund managers fail to beat the market over the long term. You are paying more for worse results. It's insane. It's like paying extra for a chef to make you a worse pizza. Hiding spot number 2, the 401k black hole. Okay, this is a big one. This is probably where you are losing the most money right now. Your company 401k. Your company gives you a list of 10 to 20 funds to choose from. And most people just pick the one with the coolest sounding name. But hidden in the documents for each fund is the expense ratio. And your employer doesn't always give you the lowest cost options. Look at this. You have to dig through a 50-page document to find it. It's a trap. I challenge you to pause this video right now, log into your 401k, and find the expense ratio of your funds. I bet it's over 0.5%. If it is, you are getting ripped OFF. Hiding spot number 3, the cool new investing apps. Finally, some of the new, cool investing apps. They say 0 commission, which is great, but some of them get you in other ways. They can have wider spreads, meaning you pay a few cents more for a stock than its market price. Or they push you towards their own high-fee funds. Or they have monthly subscription fees. That monthly fee is an expense ratio in disguise. A $10 per month fee on a $1,000 account is a 12% yearly fee. 12%. You have to be a detective. This 1% mistake is everywhere. 3. The ultimate weapon, slaying the vampire. Okay, I've scared you enough. You're probably freaking out, checking your accounts. Good. Now, how we fight back? I'm going to give you the 3 ultimate weapons to slay this vampire forever. Weapon number 1, the index fund Bazooka. This is your main weapon. It is undefeatable. An index fund. Instead of trying to pick one winning stock, an S&P 500 index fund buys you a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. You own a little bit of Apple, a little bit of Amazon, a little bit of everyone. And the best part? The expense ratios are dirt cheap. We're talking 0.04%, 0.03%, sometimes even lower. They are the ANTI vampire. Look for funds with tickers like VO or FXX. Weapon number 2, the ETF sniper rifle. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like index funds, but they trade like a stock. They are super flexible and also have some of the lowest fees on the planet. A total world stock market ETF like VT has an expense ratio of 0.07% and lets you own a piece of almost every public company in the world. You become a global capitalist with one click, and the fee is practically zero. Weapon number 3, the fee audit binoculars. This is your strategy. Once a year, you perform a fee audit. You log into every account you have, your 401k, your IRA, your brokerage, and you hunt for the expense ratio on every single thing you own. If you find any fund over 0.5%, you question it. You ask, why am I paying this much? And if there's a cheaper alternative available, like an index fund option in your 401k, you switch. This 15-minute audit once a year could literally make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. 15 minutes for a Lamborghini. For the mind-blowing conclusion. So let's go back to Alex and Ben. The difference wasn't luck. It wasn't genius. It was just attention. Alex paid attention to that tiny 1%. Ben didn't. And for that, the 1% vampire silently drained a fortune from him for 40 years. But here's the real secret, the final lesson. This 1% mistake isn't just about money. It's a life philosophy. It's the 1% of your workout you skip. It's the 1% of the project you don't double-check. It's the 1% of effort you don't feel like putting in. I hope you learned valuable insights from today's video to apply to your financial journey. As a token of appreciation, drop a comment saying, I watched the video till the very end, so give me a heart. When I see this comment, I'll give you a heart. To ensure your success, take these 3 important steps. 1. Like this video. 2. Subscribe to this channel. 3. Turn on the notification bell. By doing so, I'll provide you with life-transformative information every week for free. Don't miss out on future videos where we'll share more golden nuggets of knowledge. All I ask is for your subscription. Thank you. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to watch our next video and share it with your loved ones to inspire them to success. It may help someone achieve their financial goals. These tiny, harmless 1% decisions are what separate incredible lives from average ones. The 1% fee is just the most provable, financially devastating version of it. It's the math showing you how much that 1% of laziness or inattention truly costs. If you've enjoyed our content and would like to contribute, consider buying us a coffee. Simply go to the description of this video and click on the Buy Me a Coffee link to make a donation. Your contribution helps us produce more videos, explore new topics, and enhance the overall experience for you. So I am begging you, stop ignoring the 1%, audit your fees, slay the vampire, and take back your future. Take back your $500,000. If this video just saved you hundreds of thousands of dollars, destroy that subscribe button. We post videos to make you richer every single week. And for the biggest challenge of all, go find the highest expense ratio in your own accounts. Comment it below. Let's see who's getting ripped off the most. We will pick one person who comments and send them $100 to start a new, low-cost index fund account. Thanks for watching. Now go check your fees. Go.